Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a 50-gallon Walker Liquifier. As you can see, it's jacketed. We're pressure testing the jacket right now. Holding 50 pounds. Operating on 440 volt. The unit is 316L. Has a gasketed hinged manway. The large port is a breather port. The discharge is actually 2.5 inches, but as you can see, choked down 1.5 inches. It's got a 10-horse drive. That's a thermal well you see right in front of you. Rather unusually, the seal is good. Usually when we get these, we count on replacing the seal. Right now, it's holding well. Push handle on casters. We have lots of processing and packaging equipment in our stock, so I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.